After the concept and blueprints for the TC Lightsaber we finalized, we began to build the swords themselves. However, it was not easy to actually build the weapons. Several problems with the designs were occurred. We radically changed some of the most important parts of the areas of the lightsaber in order to make it work.
When we began to manufacture the sabers, we had originally planned to use Adega crystals to convert the raw power into a lethal blade. Unfortunately, we soon realized that these Adega power crystals couldn't be found on Earth. We eventually began using these synthetically made power crystals as a cheap, easy alternative. However, these replacement crystals caused a new problem to emerge. You see, we began to test these new crystals to see if they could convert energy fast enough to be used in a proper lightsaber. Surprisingly, these new crystals actually exceeded our expectations, shorting out the emitter matrix of the lightsaber due to its huge converting capabilities. We calculated that the massive blade power of the synth crystal lightsaber would break the blade of a normal lightsaber every time. In order to stop this, we added a second focusing crystal activator inside the saber, fixing the problem. Our next challenge occurred during the building of the DTM power cell. The cell was originally made out of steel, and the first saber was built and ready to test. Unfortunately, as soon as the lightsaber was activated, the molten plasma inside the cell melted the steel casing, causing it to rupture and singe the other components inside. The saber was ruined, the superheated plasma eventually converted into a toxic gas, and the poisonous fog soon began to leak out of a small crack in the sword, causing us to abandon the building. We solved the problem by simply making the power cell out of platinum, which melts at a much higher temperature and stops the molten plasma from escaping.
Alright, let's see, where is it?
Our final obstacle to overcome was the circuitry used to activate the electromagnetic field that stabilizes the deadly lightsaber beam. The circuitry was previously soldered and wired incorrectly, causing the uncontrolled electromagnetic field to wipe out all electric devices within a mile of our facility. We quickly overcame the problem by readjusting the wires to its correct position. Overall, we encountered many difficult situations and obstacles over the development of the lightsaber. Fortunately, we persevered, and because of our diligence, now bring you, the valued customer, the TC Lightsaber.
Hi, I'm Thomas Nelson, and I worked on the RFID reader chip for the lightsaber. Down here, the reader chip is down here in the handle.
What?
So that way, any unauthorized personnel can't use the lightsaber for misdeeds.
The way the RFID works is that there is a reader coil in the lightsaber. So there's a coil around the lightsaber that's able to read an RFID chip, and you can have the RFID chip ideally in a glove or embedded in your hand if you really want to, so that the lightsaber will only activate when a registered RFID code is right next to it. That way, some person who is not authorized to use your lightsaber can't just pick it up and turn it on.
Warning! Remember, you are holding a real lethal TC lightsaber. Do not use lightsaber in an unsafe or foolish manner, as it may result in a loss of limbs, serious injury, death, and etc. However, if you are willing to participate in a lightsaber duel, do not forget that there are no rules. Punching, kicking, jabbing, biting, pinching, use the force and execution of bloody, gory, finishing maneuvers are all permitted and or encouraged. Thank you.
Made Blaze here with the brand new TC Lightsaber. Are you sick and tired of cutting metal with your dinky plasma cutter? Our new lightsaber will chop through with ease. Tired of mowing the grass with a clunky lawn mower week after week? Mow with our lightsaber and that singed grass will never grow back. Our brand new TC Lightsaber will suit all of your Jedi or household needs. The amazing TC Lightsaber is meticulously composed of durable, high-quality steel and alloys that repel battle damage, blaster fire, and rust. The blade is a molten mix of pure plasma energy that will cut through anything, guaranteed. Power crystals contain and expel limitless amounts of energy and will never run out, ever. Use the handcrafted TC Lightsaber for all jobs, including personal protection, ending the pathetic lives of your most hated foes, cutting or welding even the most stubborn metals, household disciplines, watch out unruly children, landscaping, like shearing the hedges, mowing the grass, weeding, etc. Extermination device for very large household pets, and much, much more.
Does it really cut through everything?
Yes, everything! Just look at that, folks! It's completely cut through!
Wow, you're right. It works.
Yeah, so call today and get your own TC Lightsaber right now.